Well, hello peoples, and welcome to my channel video. Yeah, I thought I'd do a video on my channel on myself and that. My channel is a cooking channel. Corner of the kitchen's about to fall in, so one of my videos soon you'll probably see me probably get 1 million views. If I live, it would be awesome to watch. I've got a roof over my head, the kids are healthy, I've got both arms and legs, and the power's still on, so good day today. It is calm. So when you see that bloke walk past and you think, oh, now you can go, you're fucked in your next life, mate. Follow your dreams, they know the way. Like no shit, eh? How awesome's that? So yeah, when I'm cooking away, I've got crusty bowls and happy. Piss is one of our big Aussie slang words. For instance, it's pissing down outside, I mean it's raining hard, bro, right? But you don't say I'm going to get drunk, because people just think, oh, you're a dickhead. But if you say I'm going to get pissed tonight, they're all like, yeah, I don't mind the casual couple of drinks at night. You know, it's quite lovely. Bullshit it is, it tastes like piss. You like it when you've drunk them and you're pissed and he looks great to you. Like say, alright, so say during the day I'm dead straight, right? And I walk past the mirror, I'm kind of like, oh God, I hope she didn't see me, you know? And then at night when I've been drinking and I walk past the mirror, it's like, hey, check you out. Woohoo, you're looking good tonight. You know, and that's what getting drunk's all about. Everyone looking great to everyone. So yeah, there's a little bit about getting pissed. Hello my friends and welcome back. First of all, my eldest son and my granddaughter moved out. Yeah, it's pretty sad really. Well, I hope that you have a great night. I know I'm going to have a great night. And yeah, see you soon. Toodles! Toodaloo! I love Halloween. Of course. Alright, that's what you call a head. Galliano! Mate. Shot glass? Okay. 2 shot glasses? In she goes. The art to drinking a depth charger is that you drink your beer until it's about halfway through. Once it's halfway through, you scull it. Here we go. There you have it. Check it out. Jelly bean, my friend. I know what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to go and scare a lot of neighbourhood kids and have a ball with it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a great Halloween. So you know how you get those really annoying people that it's like 7 weeks till Christmas. They've got their Christmas tree up, they've got all their presents done, they're starting to, you know, put all the lights out in the front yard like say hello to my little friend. Like a donut in here. Oh, my hole's closed up. If your hole covers in a little bit, you can just move it around like so while it's still hot, and you can give it just a little bit of shape like that. Now what a get it together, girl. I've got a little baby basil bush. Get that right. No, I got it wrong. A little baby bay leaf. That's too many beads, mate. Get your shit together. Oh, it's popped. Whack it on. Keep shaking the shit out of it. I don't know why. Alright, well, they're still going. I don't like leaving it on for too long. Just see how many left in the bottom. Yeah, there's not too many, because if you do it for that fraction too long, you don't want burnt popcorn, it will taste shit. Oh. Oh, they're still having a ball. Okay. So, spread all your butter in it. Tip a bit of plain flour in it. Bang it all around the joint. Go over to your sink. Tip it upside down. Bang it on your sink and get all your excess flour out. It's a pain in the ass, but it's worth doing it because your loaf doesn't stick. Oh, the smell. That's what I want to hear, the rattling. Oh no! Mother ruffer. Look how beautiful that is. Hey, what a stunning loaf. Alright, I won't lie to you, that was a pain in the friggin' ass. Wild turkey, American honey. Alright, it's safe to say I've got a slight little hangover this morning, and I think the best cure for that is a bacon egg muffin. Welcome to Aussie Girl Style Caesar salad. If you're looking for a healthy one, you've come to the wrong place. And I love random. Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to my stuffed crust. Oh yeah. The two completely different colours. My partner reckons, oh, it's two different animals. Well, I mean, duh. Stop stuffing around. Okay, it's got some crunch to it. Now, if you want to get lucky tonight, give them a third one. Because, you know, everyone here is just double dips, they're off your head. Get your little mullet out. Mullet? Get your little hammer thingy out. You want to give it a light touch up. Shake the crap out of the bottle first. Shake the shit out of the bottle. I love using a hammer. Beat the shit out of that.